The benefits of meditation for sleep are numerous. It helps people fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. It also helps people to feel more rested and refreshed in the morning, and it can help with anxiety and depression. If you want to reap the benefits of meditation for sleep, you have to know how to meditate for sleep properly. In this video, I will be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to meditate for sleep. Step 1. Meditate on breathing. While meditating, focus on the quality of your breathing and controlling the breath. This will help you keep your mind focused and calm during meditation, which will help you fall asleep more easily at night. Step 2. Focus on releasing tension. When you are feeling tense before bedtime, practice releasing tension in a way that feels good to you so that it can bring more peace of mind while you sleep. Step 3. Practice calmness and stillness. When you are feeling worried before going to bed, practice calming your thoughts by paying attention to the silence in your immediate environment, the hush that permeates everyone else nearby, and the stillness that you are in yourself. Step 4. Practice releasing anxiety. If you struggle to manage your anxiety before night, practice releasing it by paying attention to your breathing and focusing on an area or thing that makes you feel peaceful. Step 5. Practice meditation for sleep. If you struggle with insomnia, practice meditation for sleep. This will help to clear your mind, reduce stress, and give you a good night's rest. Step 6. Avoid stimulants. Be cautious of your evening routine and avoid some stimuli that usually send you into a hyper-alert state. Ensure you're not taking supplements, alcohol, or caffeine hours before bed. Step 7. Keep your room cool. Keeping the temperature in your bedroom at a low setting will help to suppress the rise in body temperature that often causes sleep disturbances. Step 8. Practice yoga for sleep. If you have trouble sleeping, practice yoga for sleep with exercises such as downward facing dog and child's pose. Step 9. Listen to music. Listening to soothing, relaxing music can help you drift off into a deep slumber. Step 10. Create a relaxing ritual. Try taking an evening bath, reading a book, or journaling before bedtime to calm your mind and body down for sleep.